What if I told you building your career isn't just about climbing one tall tree, but growing an entire forest? Today, we're cutting through the foliage and entering the random forest of skills development, understanding how your career can thrive by cultivating a variety of skills. Ready to learn how this game-changing approach can future-proof your career? Let's get started. Welcome back, folks. This season, we're all about data-driven careers, using insights from common data science algorithms to unlock new ways of thinking about your professional growth. I'm Prakash, your host in this journey and a senior data scientist in the HR space. Today, we're talking about how you can grow your skill set into a robust and resilient forest. First, what's a random forest? It's a machine learning technique where multiple decision trees work together or multiple models. Each tree learns from a different subset of data, and the final result is a combination of all of their insights, providing a more robust prediction model. Now think of your career just like a random forest model. Each tree is a skill, and each branch represents a different application of that skill. Now together, these skills create a dynamic, adaptable, and professional profile. I know what you're thinking. Break it down for me, Prak. Well, allow me to do so in 6 easy peasy steps. Step 1. Plant your core trees. What are the skills you're already very good at? Step 2. Grow new trees. Add new skills that interest you or complement your expertise. Step 3. Branch out. Explore different ways to apply each of these skills. Step 4. Combine the skills creatively. Blend them to solve problems in unique or diverse ways. Step 5. Prune and maintain. Now you've got to update your skills and let go of those outdated ones. Step 6. Measure your forest. Regularly assess your skills and see if they're adding value to your career. So who is our human in the loop today, you ask? I'm glad you did. Let's personify today's concept with Nicole, and let's hear Nicole's story. Nicole started out as a marketing professional with strong skills in content marketing and social media. Now she decided to diversify by learning data analysis because she wanted to refine her strategies. She wanted to learn coding to automate some of these social media tasks. And lastly, UI and UX because she wanted to create impactful visuals that influence behaviors. Now, by combining these skills, Nicole became more versatile and valuable to her organization. For instance, she used data analysis to identify trends, coding to save time, and design to make her insights pop. This skills forest sets her apart in her organization. Now you might be wondering, Prakash, won't I be spreading myself too thin? Shouldn't I focus on being an expert in just one thing? Great question. Now the key is balance. You want enough diversity to be adaptable, but still rooted in your core expertise. Think of it like optimizing the number of trees in a random forest. It's about finding that sweet spot. Now let's recap why the random forest approach works for skills development. It makes you adaptable in a fast-changing industry, and we all know how AI is making that acceleration even faster. It helps you solve problems from multiple angles and expertise that creates you or sets you apart from others. It also keeps learning exciting and prevents that professional stagnation. Don't we all just love to learn, right? And remember, the magic of a random forest is that the whole is greater than the sum of its parts. The same is true for your career as well. So what's your next step? Tell me in the comments. Start mapping your skills forest and tell me what your core trees are, or what new trees are you going to be planting. How can you combine them in innovative ways? Speaking of growth, my next video is about gradient descent in learning. Click here to watch that video and discover how small, consistent steps can lead to significant progress. Let's keep growing together, guys.